What's going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you the stupidest, most simple model trading IFVGs. So after this you will probably not be dumb enough to keep donating your money to the markets, and you'll actually start making some money from the markets. So let's just go straight into it. First of all, I would like to pull up this right here. I made this model rating right here, as you can see. This is what an A+ setup would be for me, and this is what an A setup would be for me. So if you just go over this real quick. So for us to have an A+ setup, we need some kind of liquidity sweep, and we need delivery from a higher time frame fair value gap. Okay. After that, let's just draw our path real quick. Alright. Bang. Okay, so this is our liquidity sweep right here. Okay, we need to have extremely good targets as well. Let's say this was a London high or Asia high or something. This would be our draw on liquidity. Okay, and after this we obviously need our IFVG. This will just be a fair value gap that we invalidate on the way up. Okay, and we need to have like extremely good momentum right here, and also we need to be in equilibrium of the range. And as you can see right here, we are obviously trading in a discount, also lining up below the OTE of the range. Alright, and now simply after the close above, we just take the trade right here. So this model right here is probably one of the best models in the game and most easy model that you could ever ask for. Remember to join my Discord. The link is in the description. Here we got a small trading community as of now, and yeah. Alright, so let's just go to the... Alright, so before you even ask me like which time frame should I play this on, which time frame should I do this on, don't even bother to ask, because time is fractal. I mean, this model works on like every single time frame you could ask for. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame. We are on the Nasdaq pair, and let's just pull this up real quick again. Okay, liquidity sweep and delivery from fair value gap. We are focusing on this entry right here, by the way. Alright, so where are we delivering from? We are delivering from this fair value gap right here. Did we get a clear liquidity sweep? We did. Right here. Bang. Alright, and are we in EQ of the range? Let's check. Absolutely. What makes an A+ setup is that we only need one fair value gap to inverse, and in this case we do only have one. So yes, that's checked as well. And good targets, absolutely. We got an internal high here. We got an external high here. Actually a high inside of a fair value gap, which is also very powerful. And we got the external high right here. And what we do in here is just take the trade on the close with our stop below this candle that closed, and we target either the internal highs and then maybe leave a runner for the external high. That's pretty much up to you, but this was in the 4-hour, and as I told you that time is fractal, so I'll just show you on another time frame. Alright, our next example will be on the 15-minute time frame, and if we just pull this up real quick again, liquidity sweep. And when I talk about liquidity sweeps, I'm not talking about like let's say this won't be a liquidity sweep. It like needs to be a obvious liquidity sweep, like a big wick or something, or session highs or session lows or equal highs or some shit like that. In this case, we got this swing low that we swept out right here. Now, are we delivering from any fair value gaps to the left? Let's go in 1 hour and see. Absolutely, we are inside this big ass 1 hour gap right here. Alright. Are we in equilibrium of the range? Hell yeah. And do we have a single fair value gap to inverse? Yes. What do? We wait for the candle to close above the fair value gap and put our stop loss below the candle that closed and target the internal highs and probably the external high. In this case right here, this is also a very good target because this is just engineered liquidity, low resistance liquidity right here. As you can see on the PDF, perfect targets, low resistance liquidity. So yeah, this is also an A+ setup. And I swear to you, if you go and backtest this strategy a couple of times, it has like a 80% win rate or something. It's insane model. But yeah, this will be it for the video. Make sure to join the Discord. I'll answer all your questions, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next one.